The following video demonstrates a realistic phishing simulation for a red team exercise. The methodologies utilized, including caller ID spoofing, text-to-speech engine audio with scripted playback, and DTMF capturing to obtain a one-time password, or OTP, over the telephone, were performed in a controlled environment by a certified red team specialist for educational and awareness purposes. Do not try this at home.
Hello, this is Bank of America. We are calling to confirm a recent transaction on your account. To continue, please enter the one-time password sent to your registered mobile number, followed by the #. Your one-time password has been confirmed. Thank you for helping us keep your account secure. Have a great day. Goodbye.